Understanding Masquerade as a simple guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, masquerade as. This phrase is not just about costumes and parties, it's a versatile expression used in everyday English. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means and how to use it effectively. Masquerade as is a phrase that means to pretend to be someone or something else. It often implies that the person is trying to deceive others by hiding their true identity or nature. The word masquerade itself refers to a costume or a disguise, and when we say someone is masquerading as something, it's like they are wearing a metaphorical mask to conceal who they really are. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in context. 1. The spy had to masquerade as a journalist to get the information. 2. In many stories, villains masquerade as kind-hearted people to trick others. 3. During Halloween, children love to masquerade as their favorite characters. In these sentences, masquerade as shows how someone adopts a different identity, either literally, like in a costume, or figuratively, by acting differently. It's important to note that masquerade as is different from just pretend to be. Masquerading often involves a more deliberate and calculated effort to deceive. For instance, saying, "He pretended to be sick," is different from, "He masqueraded as a sick person." The latter suggests a deeper level of deception. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase masquerade as confidently in your conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying meanings and emotions. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.